Indore has scripted a history by winning the award in the field of sanitation and cleanliness for the fifth time. For this, we have Indore collector Manish Singh ji to talk to us. Manish ji, please tell us that how big this achievement is this for you?
It's not only achievement for officials, it's also achievement for Indorians, citizens living in Indore. And definitely it is a very proud moment for all of Indorians, for all of the municipal corporation staff, and for us too.
So please tell us that what was the strategy behind this concept of cleanliness, because it is very difficult to maintain the consistency. Since past 4 years you are first in terms of sanitation and cleanliness. So how difficult it was to maintain this consistency?
In Indore, the main reason for consistency and sustainability of this Swachhata thing is segregation. Segregation is soul of municipal solid waste management, and if you are able to segregate the waste at source, it has to be segregated at source. The main thing is that in Indore, since from beginning, from 2015-16, we always focused that segregation should be at source, and we should collect this municipal solid waste in segregated format itself from the source, whether it is residential accommodation or whether it is a commercial establishment. From all the sources, we compelled our staff to get that waste in segregated format only. And this is the key for the success of solid waste management of Indore.
What are the top three strategy points?
One is collection of waste in segregated format from source. Second is proper transportation in segregated format from source to the processing site. It is also very important. In many corporations, or in fact in Indore also, in areas where they collected the waste in segregated format, gradually during transportation it got mixed. So all the efforts of segregation got waste. So the transportation of all the waste should be in segregated format itself, and it should reach the processing plant wherever it is in segregated format. Second is this very important thing. Third is 100% processing of these segregated waste. And all these things should be done on a daily basis. It's not that you have a capacity of 80% of processing and the waste is accumulated, because the volume is such a high. It is 1000 ton, 1200 ton, 1100 tons. In every city, volume is very high, looking at the capacity of the city to process all these things. So these three factors are main on which we focused right from the beginning, from 2015-16.
A message that you would like to give to all the Indoreans?
I wish all the best to the citizens of my Indore city, and I also convey thanks to them for making Indore such a beautiful city. And I hope that if this city grows in such fashion, because Swachhata Awards and cleanliness not only gives proud moment to the city and its citizens, it is also very helpful in development of city, as we are looking from the past 4 or 5 years. Lakhs of crores of investment has come to Pithampur or to Indore or to the nearby industrial area. And looking at the pace of development of Indore in various sectors, in IT sector, in pharmaceutical sector, in textile garments, in many other sectors, in service sectors, in trading sector, I feel that in next 10-15 years, due to this amazing glory of Indore due to Swachhata by its citizens, Indore is going to be the top cities of India as far as livability conditions are concerned.
So this was the collector of Indore, Mr. Manish, who told us that how Indore was on a mission mode since the year 2015, and in 2021, Indore has created a history by changing the scenario. We hope that some or the other cities, in fact, all the cities from India, learn some or the other things in terms of cleanliness from Indore and turn their city into a clean city. With this is Tejri Pundare reporting for India Today from Delhi.